Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove graffiti from building walls. Open your image and zoom into the graffiti marks. Select a medium soft brush in clone stamp. Sample from clean wall textures near the paint. Gently paint over graffiti strokes. Adjust brush size for large and small marks. Switch sample points to make rough surfaces. Keep opacity around 60% for blending. For inconsistent bricks lines, zoom out to check pattern alignment. Correct color variations with careful strokes. Blend edges where graffiti was removed. Smooth the wall textures for continuity. Retouch shadows if needed.